Oh gosh, sometimes you're going through your gallery and you find videos you didn't even know you took. Y'all, this is the Boujee Lux built by Clayton. It's one of their Boujee series homes. It's the newest one they came out with back in March, and I absolutely love it. We're gonna go take a look at it, and sorry for not having the voiceover or the follow through tour, but y'all check it out and let me know what you think.